Me have to just wait for the man down until the man goes up.
Yeah.
Until the man goes on red and give me the thing.
This video teach you how to bend a steel cage. Yep. Up. Show some man come bend two of them too, you know.
Yeah man, you think so do it.
Everything I talk still. If you want to build a house still and everything then. You make up all the steel cage into the foundation and everything then.
Exactly.
A man not gonna like man like you. They're gonna deal wiring and everything then.
You understand what I say?
A man them afraid of you.
But at the end of the day, everybody have to survive. That's it go. At the end of the day, everybody have to survive. So if you can go to super build something and you not money to build it, and you can help yourself.
Yeah.
I greatest thing that you know. You know, say you can bend the thing yourself and do what you do. You don't go and have the length of the thing them what you do. And the measurement.
Okay, do that so get the measurement then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
4 inch.
On the board, yeah.
The block are 6 inches.
Yeah.
The block are 6 inches.
Yeah.
But you have to less space between the,
Yeah, man.
the boxing and the
Yeah,
you put it.
casting can-
Yeah, so
can
you
put.
build the stage, the cage them 4 inches.
Yeah.
Alright now, the 7 inches are the length of the width of the thing. The length of the thing, because the 4 inches are the width of the block. And then now the length for the stiffener of them are 7. But you put it 6.5. You put them at 6.5. For end up 7. Because by the time you measure it, bend it out, it will end up 7. Then now when you build the beam them now for go round, the beam them are same 4 inches, which is the block same way.
Everything I measure by block.
Yeah. And then now you see the depth height, the deepness side, you build the cage to the deepness side.
Yeah.
So when you put up the box in, you measure from the block down the bottom there, so, and then to the top of the box in. Then you catch the length now. That's the length of what I'm going to do. That's the 7 inches. The cage now for the beam up at top, it will go more than 7. You understand? Because this will go kind of deeper.
Yeah.
And then you nail down 2 more nails so, and you start the thing. A simple one too, you know.
Oh, that man a yard.
You have to just have your headpiece for your body.
Other side.
Ah, go on, man a yard.
No, to do.
No, if I smell like
Blood trap, man a yard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You understand?